Alright, so we're muted. And what you're gonna see here is what we spoke about. Dislocation at the tap, missing possible 6-inch portion, and then you are lined essentially all the way back. Now that says 75 feet. I didn't 100% zero out the counter at the top of this thing, so it might be a little goofy, but it's less than 100 feet total. There's just some sewer gunk. A little bit more sewer gunk. Drop down, but we're wide open. Drop down again. There is, I believe that's HTPE, which is a pipe burst. So they did put a new section of plastic line in here coming up. So yeah, this must have been just jacked. This must have been horrible. There's liner and new plastic pipe down here. And then that is where I believe, yep, your clean out comes up. And we're going to switch over to this one and go upstream. So this is going to shoot down towards the house. And we can see it down there going. And we come up, and we're working against gravity here, right? Because it's the opposite way than it's supposed to go. Right here, you notice it goes underwater just a little bit, probably by the front steps there, and then comes back out. Like I said, the camera rests at the bottom of the pipe. It's probably almost all the way open. Lip up into your internal cast iron, so we're in the foundation now, and then coming up here is going to be, that's your cap that you showed me. So there we go.